factory of 308. So 308, it can be written as 2 times 154. 2 times 154 means 308. So 154, it can be written as 2 times 77. 2 times 77 means 154. 77, it can be written as 7 times 11. 7 times 11 means 77. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 7 and 11. So we can write 308 is equal to product of all these numbers, that is 2 times 2 times 7 times 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.